how to replace a damaged stem. This reel's been through testing and it's been loaded up to 50 kilos and then winched against its drag pressure. And basically what we've ended up with is breaking or fatiguing the stem. Spinning reels generally, handles, stems, bar wires are the weakest links. The stem's deliberately designed so that if it does break or gets fractured, which we've seen on plenty of spinning reels, can happen from basically pushing it past its limits. Most spinning reels, the stem and body is one piece. If you do damage a stem or a reel foot, you have to replace the whole body. With a Braun reel you don't. It's about $25 for a new stem. First thing to do is undo the two screws. The way to do that is heat up the two screws with a gas torch. The blue flame under the head of the screw. It's about 10 to 15 seconds for each screw. And undo the two screws. They're going to be quite firm and quite hard to undo, but if you try and do it without heating it, you'll just shear the heads off the screws and then you're screwed, literally. Okay, now both screws are undone. Remove the old stem. Do not reuse the same screws. The surface of the body has to be cleaned with acetone, carby cleaner, acetone, nail polish remover. Just wipe the surface. Discard the old stem. The new stem would come with its screws fitted and the Loctite already on the surfaces. So all you need to do is clean the body, line up the new stem, put the two screws in, make sure the stem's lining up straight, the real body. Key here is to put a serious amount of tension on these bolts by doing them up, undoing them, doing them up, undoing them, about 4 or 5 times, and then back it off completely, and then one good nice turn to really lock it up nice and tight. And then let that set for about 24 hours and it's good to go.